Then she come out now, I want to take the FYP about Barbara buck-up breed. Rosalie, all of you picking them a buck-up breed because when they broke, you couldn't afford condom nor contraceptive. All of them
They couldn't even afford food. They know about condom and contraceptive and they couldn't even buy food.
All of them. Remember saying, Rosalie not even used to see period, you know. A big Rosalie belly did big again. And she feel pain. As such she knows that she breed with Shanta and Barbara. Rosalie never know.
Don't wanna make a scene. Sometimes I think I'm dreaming. I pinch myself just to see if I'm awake or not. Is it real?
Why we have to get ring after disgrace? Why we can't get it before? Why we have to get ring after disgrace as a top girl? As a top girl, why we have to get ring after disgrace?
May I look for my earring back, like.
You need a microscope.
Then Maya, she a dog, man. Maya a dog shit.
Why you have to get a ring after you get disgrace?
Nobody can tell me say Maya and a dog shit and she now walk on mine TJ. Me know she on mine TJ. Yeah, Maya the cutest Cheryl and the makeup.
You would post that, what me that shame? You would post that.
I would never, but
Somebody
Maya
like to tell you that.
Maya don't have no shame and Maya like what she get and Maya not to sit down on the app and encourage females. Maya for come out and talk say she's an idiot, she's Beyonce to Jay-Z. Yeah.
Then auntie then you see Kizzy too. Why Kizzy go what do them? And when then come back and broke and a beg money and people beat them, then say the internet wicked. Why would you do that?
But Kizzy now have money for bury the little something drop out her dead.
Yeah.
Put an engagement. You know, she said Kizzy
and
them
my Cartier watch and all kind of thing.
And then me must sit down here and say, oh God, me tell you say Kizzy is a thief. I told you guys long time Kizzy is a thief. When Abel did that make rain on the app, Kizzy did that take Abel.
Auntie, they said that a long time, I mean, you know, so Mr. always said, Auntie, no easy, you know, and when his sister come talk, me said, Jesus, Auntie, they said that already.
But I tell you no, me tell you say Kizzy and Abel did that.
Me, I remember you said it, and I said, Auntie, get the story there from, and then his sister can confirm it.
And then as she let Abel, she breed for keep rich.
So.
And then they like when you talk the truth.
Auntie, when last keep rich have one hit?
Tonight. Yeah, man, it'll come out tonight on OnlyFans.
On OnlyFans. Me no know, Auntie, me no know.
Don't hear you, girl, you're too bad mind. Bad mind like the clit where swing underneath you and can't hold in a panty if you put in a socks. Bad mind like the big foot where underneath you. Come on, no, these are dirty people we're talking about. Then we want for them life. Tell me which life on the app me would have want now. Cause liar no want none, cause liar well off. Which life on the app me that want now? Make it make sense.
Certain things we keep private. I didn't realize that certain things must keep private. Make somebody come tell we. Who not tell we ourselves. Certain things must keep private.
I never know say Rosalie did vomit.
When she can't tell we, can we not see the video all know? She tell we. But no, other than that, you know, Auntie, she wanted a reason to cuss them because all know nobody does see the video.
Tio.
And guess how, Auntie? Guess how who post the video? Guess how who post the video? Fear people them with screen record fear.
A lie.
Yes, I fear same people them post the video. Then here the man him come, here the fish him come. Oh, I probably one of the person when in there at the river. She said no, because I clipping sports, I fear people them that. For sure you don't hate her. For sure you don't hate her.
You see when you watch Rosalie's excitement, I just fear people them alone a video. Fear people them alone a video. Nobody want video Rosalie. Number one, nobody don't want video Rosalie. No outsiders don't want video Rosalie. I only want make screen record and send Rosalie per FYP. Remember that one blogger used to do. Rosalie used to pay the
What's
blogger.
your name? Yes, what's your name? What's your name? What the page name? Where she used to put up a Rosalie. She used to call her. What's the name again? The page there. Oh my God. Guys, what the page and the name where she post Rosalie? What the Sexy Ray. And every time she had talk, she used to call Sexy Ray, come here. Yes.
Rosalie
Remember.
is famous.
And she used to post her.
Thank you. And it was paid. And when Rosalie don't pay Sexy Ray, me hear say she and Sexy Ray kick off. Me
Because we not see she for how long now? We not
You
see she
know,
how long now.
our filing must have come true. That way. No,
Yeah,
but it's
because
like,
every time she go talk, she call Sexy Ray.
that's when I tell people, say, Rosalie isn't famous. She is nowhere near famous. Famous for what?
That time you never saw a lot of screen recording pages them time.
Never.
Yeah, that
Never.
time it was Sexy Ray and Brit and
Yeah.
them page there. Yeah, true,
Yes.
auntie. I never remember. For sure, I never remember.
So your sister not lie me I tell, but you,
Yeah,
you know
Sexy Ray. Every time she gonna say something about somebody, she calls Sexy Ray.
exactly.
She said, "We're Sexy Ray." They wanna call Sexy Ray.
Yeah. Me not
Yeah.
ask you, Rosalie not famous. Nobody not know Rosalie. Nobody knows Rosalie. Number one, nobody not even want to associate themselves with Rosalie.
Because remember that time that nobody used to play with her.
Exactly. And she come
They
up and
used to play with her.
start up contention and Sexy used to put up the clickbait them. She used to
Yep.
make clickbait them. Me not telling a lie.
True. I remember, auntie. Are true.
It's true. And used to try to stop other people. Me say Rosalie do a thing. You see, through Rosalie come on the internet for take the FYP, and Yannick come out, me say Rosalie a chime into Yannick's and World Dog argument now. Me laughing at myself, me say Jakes wasn't serious and the fingerprint them where you claim to say the Panshanta was never serious. See we're serious here, you know, want nobody get the FYP.
Yeah, you want it. That's why she come across the gift tell them yesterday.
Yeah, that's all she's doing.
Because
That's
nobody saw the video. Nobody saw the video. Everybody look for that the video and can.
No one knows if it's true.
Exactly, even that too. Because she talk about the video. And I'm saying, if I fear a screen recording page, why would they post her in that moment there too?
Exactly. Why? Why would they do that? If they come with support Rosalie, nobody now go want to say, we are sure Rosalie, Rosalie just love to talk and tell lies. Rosalie can't drink without vomit because she have sugar, she diabetic.
She say rice did cool, but the rice did cool. So she say right. Because here and auntie, she have to drink for their own people them. So she didn't drink too much because she have to drink for their own people them. She can't sober on their own them.
She mean by the rice did cool.
That's what she said, the rice did cool. She did drink and then she go eat some food and the rice cool. That's what that was her explanation.
Long Rosalie eat cold food because she never have no fridge. And one day Rosalie buy one fridge at CVU. We remember when time she buy the fridge. Remember Rosalie buy meat before fridge.
Remember last year after the birthday, she did go buy the fridge.
Thank you. So
not this birthday we're gone, the last year birthday.
Yeah. What she mean by that? The
and
rice.
have to plug out the fridge to use the microwave.
Thank you.
Yo!
The fridge plug in her sister room because Rosalie have no socket in the kitchen and the living room. Now ask you. Them
As a top hog. As a top hog.
As a top hog for sure.
As a top hog.
And then she come out now, I want to take the FYP about Barbara buck-up breed. Rosalie, all of you picking them a buck-up breed because when they broke, you couldn't afford condom, nor contraceptive. All of them
they couldn't even afford food. They know about condom and contraceptive and they couldn't even buy food.
All of them. Remember saying, Rosalie not even used to see period, you know. A big Rosalie belly did big again. And she feel pain. As such, she knows that she breed with Shanta and Barbara. Rosalie never know her pregnancy them yet. She better go give Shanta to the right daddy. Yeah, go and give the little girl to the right daddy. She want come in and say dada. Yeah, with assurance. Yeah, go and give the child to the right father.
Rosalie, mini me that. You ever hear them talk yet like two bestie?
Shanta, you miss me? Miss you all.
Your tongue white like chalk.
Yes. You never know, Mr. Bida kick that little girl there, so she'd forget about pregnancy when she reached the age.
She over there talk, say, me sick, my stomach here. Oh, here are. Nobody about, can you on live? Mute the live. Hear me, Jesus. That's what she say. Because she said the little boy sick her stomach here. So she said, oh, you know, because she try to stop her from talk. Here, nobody, me, can you on live? Mute the live. Yeah, our exact words.
Yeah, tell upon the people them true, you know, like them, you know.
If they pass screen recording, ask the chat. How so she says,
Yeah, you know, so you're vicious, because nothing can go see in a real life before God and all mankind.
Auntie the on screen record, the little girl say him stick me stomach. Me not like him stick me stomach, and she the on oi 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 oi. And she say,
Yes, yeah,
nobody
true.
oi 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 me. I call you the on live, mute the live.
Them
So
say
she
world
tell
dog
her,
over. Them say world dog over Jabas now. Jabas run world dog. Jabas run world dog before them can say Jabas run him. I want him come out come cuss you. Run him, run the dog.
yep. He might try everything for Yannick, match not successful.
I know say she go get it. I could have 5 bills. It go successful. I could have $500. It is going to be successful because God not like ugly.
Ugly, true.
God don't like ugly. Well, dog, Yannick, do your teeth. Yannick take stinking breath out of your mouth. Yannick, the only thing Yannick can do is shape you properly because no.
And no matter how Yannick buy the expensive clothes, they make can't look good for him.
Well, dog, make everything expensive look like clearance so I can trick.
Yeah, true. No matter how Yannick try to make him look decent, like look expensive, he still look cheapy.
No, it's true. It's true. Honestly. Me would mind all the females who know about these things I have experienced pull together for Yannick.
And support her, yeah.
So that World Dog and men like World Dog will know, say, you don't run them joke here with females who take
No
care
more,
of
not in 2026. Not in 2026. Yeah.
And I'm not telling you about, oh, I'm me, Billy. World Dog na Bilal, no. All I know, World Dog na Bill. All I know.
Remember World Dog go up on the way how he used to praise Yannick king up on the fix and say he's a pro draws washer.
Atio, you forget about that part there?
Yes. Go up on the fix and say he's a pro draws washer.
Atio. And World Dog know in all himself, Yannick is a good girl. Yannick is the best girl him ever there with. Not care what you, but at 16 years you did there with the boy for, and you born him for 16 years. She born him with you to World Dog.
But you never say him that chase her all over Florida.
Because he want her purse, because he used to show up mine, man. But Yannick said, me think me hear Yannick say she sell her house.
Me say me can't say Yannick sell her house. She said, and guess what happened now? Auntie, you have to brace yourself with that 1 year. Yannick sell her house and get World Dog $25,000 out of it to go buy AP watch and he can't read the time. And the money they share with pan. Yeah. Sell her house last year and give World Dog $25,000 out of it to go buy AP watch and he can't read the time. Because if you ask World Dog the time, he take out his phone and he show you the phone. He don't even read the time.
Remember, say World Dog can't read and write? Remember, World Dog cannot read and write. So just in case you want to miss that part, remember, World Dog cannot read and write and him not understand nothing what you tell him. And Yannick have to translate in the best dance language, you know. Remember that from a longer taller time, World Dog cannot ask World Dog to read a straight line for you. He cannot. World Dog cannot read and write, and people mistake. People have forget all of these things. World Dog cannot read and write, and a man that can't read and write, and he's not ambitious, he's not gifted, he's not talented, he's not skillful. What you expect?
Thief.
Exactly. Remember, World Dog come and say, him no way him can't thief. When him used to work at the car place, and enough things and thief to the people that can. So what do you expect? And you gotta take the girl money and carry out loyal to. You take all the girl money and carry out loyal for them little pitney feel like so them can size up. World Dog is after you breed Yannick, you realize that Yannick old. Cause you young enough. Remember you young in the World Dog, cause you now look past
35 young?
Oh, no, me just give him credit. Remember him young enough cause he wanted to be said that he's 25. And that I kill him.
Him young in his brain.
Him though young in him brain either liar. Like when me hear people talk about World Dog is a child. World Dog ain't no child and people for stop it.
Him out that way they forget people coin.
World Dog ain't 34. World Dog is not 34.
No, and 91 him born. Yannick said last night. Him 91 him born. Him at 35. She had 1991. And she have to know because she do all her business there. Me say it, he said she know in social, she know everything.
That's what I say. She have everything for talk. Liar.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
You can't call her and tell her, if I tell you every secret about World Dog, if she no want talk, you will bust it.
And you know what happened? You see, because one little baby boy involved, make World Dog fall on him face, on him. No matter we know. It's when pressure reach him and to him say when I can't tell we everything.
Liar.
Mm-hmm.
Liar. Me
Check
can't.
mm-hmm.
Me cannot. Me want Yannick start spill the bean.
Mm-hmm.
Me
When
want
pressure reach him, I talk everything.
Capri
That's why I
Shari-
want to match a successful Sunday for
When did
mad
the last
mouth.
night? When did the last night? When you attack and the people them over there? When did they?
Me I watch him a talk.
Liar, how you feel?
Me say me
Oh, yeah.
ignorant. Me say me fight my phone more 1 million times. And me my phone a fight. Me say him just a tell he lie. Me say he lie. Him one time he say him offer to buy Yannick car. Well, like you don't have a dime to your name. Him and Yannick show the text where me say yeah. She said should I get back a car, but she don't want a car with a payment. Auntie, what did she say wrong?
She never said
Nobody
nothing
no
wrong.
want a car payment.
No. And you want to put the girl in a whole heap of debts and him not in a none.
Yes.
Am I
So I
right?
tell him, oh, me offer to buy back car fare. You, sir, go fight your bank account. The only person World Dog supposed to fight your bank account. Because your bank account fail you. Your bank account fail you.
Liar, them are going to eat you, you know.
My bank account fail money over here want fight off Yannick. Like, me tell you how him do. He say wake up every morning and he go buy 3 something of Hennessy, strawberry Hennessy. Like, he make the money, you know, but him saw him make it, I saw him spend it. I'll little baby Amir him promise Roblox and I'll know he can buy the Roblox.
Liar, I remember when time World Dog was Tantanana.
Yep. Me hate that. I hate to hear that. Me couldn't stand that. Me couldn't stand that.
Not never in a World Dog house, you know. Not never in a World Dog house, no liar. World Dog house and dirty, you know. You don't remember. You know, so some of the things that you don't remember. Remember when time World Dog never have no clothes.
Yep. Auntie, remember when you said the smoke shot now last 1 year?
Okay.
You remember when you said the smoke shot?
Okay.
You remember when you said the smoke shop now last 1 year?
Okay. You want me to talk about it? I mean,
Yes.
the smoke shop now, man. Things are racketeering are going in there.
I mean, we never see a cigarette sell out of the smoke shop or a cigar.
Never hear the door go ping. One vape, ping. You got
Never hear it.
Never hear that yet.
When he
Like-
finished paying the landlord, he pay the landlord the 30,000 when it was.
No. In a pair.
In a pair. Then Yannick said, World Dog make them take all back the Corvette. 80,000 he open the Corvette. And when the repo people them sell it, them get it for 60,000 they auction yeah. So I fear name the Corvette in there now. World Dog walk and put everything in a Yannick name. So right now Yannick have to pay $120,000 for the balance of the Corvette.
He wants to walk away now and give her nothing. That is it. Because when World Dog come up and post say him and make it on the app, you know, he wasn't making it. You know?
He wasn't.
He wasn't making it. And at that him use and frighten people. But him a king of the app. World Dog was never king of the app. Him always a king of the sea. Never king of the app, liar. It is such a wicked thing to sit down and witness. You understand me? These dirty man, them dirty man, you liar. Where you take out and you wash out shit stain out of them underwear. You know, you walk there and flush toilet and pick up from behind them and every single thing. Only for them breed you and leave you like this. Compare disgrace you. That is
true.
not fair. And you could never have your daughter and say your daughter say World Dog and me are talking and you agree with it. No.
How Yannick father said to him, say, Yannick father this him up. Yannick father this him up in mad, hear me? But him tell us everybody want to kill you. Him tell him say everybody want to kill him.
Yannick said she can't make her father hear this. At that part, they make me want to cry. At that part, because she's such a little girl.
Girl, yeah.
She's such a little girl and she's so delicate. Her heart is so delicate. Nah lie. She is such a little girl. And when me hear she say, me can't even make my father, you know the embarrassment of
That's
come
me,
down.
yeah. Yeah. Cause a
God
lot of
Almighty.
persons, yeah. Cause I am a daddy's girl, I mean, tell you certain things I would never let my father know because me know that I gonna break him heart. And the worst thing for you to do as a child is break your parents' heart. I worst thing.
It's
I
like
worst thing.
woman to woman, me feel it for the Yannick. Me say, you know how me class everybody liar. But me gonna tell you the truth. You see, when time me looking at the situation and me see Yannick and hear her voice, me couldn't do no better. Me say, what a fool me eye. Me have to me have to move with the phone. So what a
From
fool
the
me
first
eye.
time, but this time did worse. From the first time I feel it fair, but this time it was way worse. Him got
No man
deep.
liar, this word, it's what I hear Amir say the first time. Mom, Akeem is cussing you out. And she said, cuss me, ma cuss him. Me say it move me. Oh God Almighty. Me that just hug up Yannick. Me that just hug her. I pray she get all the help that she needs.
She need and deserve, and she deserve. Because she get no, remember saying her auntie for a long time, we never used to see Yannick, you know. We never see her yet. And the amount of class she get over here, we never used to see her.
Thank you.
Yeah, because of him, because of his doings, because him used to disrespect women so much, and then when they in disrespect the woman, then go after Yannick.
Exactly. Wait, come here. You say him call her Mr. Bean?
Yes, he did, and he got Florida mattress.
Liar, me that wait until me in the garage and go down there. You know, liar, me I tell you say,
Everything when them take cuss her over here, he must say it back no. Everything.
me not
And
go
him say Amira jacket too. Him say Amira jacket. Yes, him say Amira jacket.
And when me the talk say, Leonie, take care of your picnic. Don't make no stepfather have your picnic and gyrates up on the app. Why me I tell you TikTok like
And you know what him said to Auntie what is very telling? You hear him say, him not trust when Yannick left, Yannick have him picnic around no man. Because she soft and she will make them abuse the picnic. So exactly. Exactly.
Now that's the Amir.
That's his exact words.
And when I talk about it, what them say, me jealous and me forgot breed. And all I was telling Yannick, keep your son away from
here. True. And remember, you know, him say Amir tell him biological father, which is fire rates, because suck him mother. Me say a word dog teach him that. A word dog him here said that.
It's true.
Anything where Amir said disrespectful, a world dog him here say it.
And it's not fair. And these are the oversight. Yannick, me go blame you, but me not blame
I did.
you.
Yeah, and that's the thing when me blame her for. She should have never given this man access to her child like that.
But you know,
Amir should have been in daycare.
Yeah, every woman will have a man in them like to sister, them man are show interest in them pick me in because everything them call interest, you know, not realizing that it'll go bite in your back.
Alright.
World dog exploit your son Yannick.
Yeah, because she said he promised all the baby Roblox, and up until now you know buy the Roblox for the baby. I tell you the baby a dance and everything. He said make a buy a $50 Roblox. She said oh no. And the little baby heartbreak. You know little kids love Roblox.
Exactly. Me feel it to my heart coming. No, so them days they are coming now. And me I said, do not expose your child. It's not World Dog's child. Do not expose your child. Don't make your World Dog use your picnic all gun in front of the babies.
No guys, Yannick could afford daycare for Amir. Yannick, World Dog them could afford daycare for Amir. Amir should have never been on those lives. Or when World Dog, remember this Sunday when they were up GU and them on the table? You remember that Sunday there? You remember this? I remember when he sent him for the beer, them, he used to send him for the green bottle in the fridge. Okay.
Me now ask you that
remember
little boy.
this Sunday the camera shift and the whole heap of GU and them on the table.
Yannick say, oh Jesus. You remember? And Yannick say, oh Lord.
The baby never need to see all of those things.
No, the baby well exposed to a lot of stuff because World Dog is careless. World Dog is careless. It me say, me want Yannick not have no brother.
No look so. Thank God give me 4, cause me when they done. My mother beat World Dog alone. She wouldn't need nobody cause him a punk. She get 2 baseball bat and beat him on them ribs.
What you say? The first place to lick him my name Nick. We don't want big stream over the wall again. Yeah, it's true. Oh, shot.
Auntie says she don't want big stream over the wall again.
It's not like me I tell lie, it's true.
What away him there?
Biggs,
see him.
Biggs
Yeah,
they
wanna
behind the
see him.
scene. Biggs they behind the scene. Biggs no one come out now because Biggs, Yannick feed Biggs. Biggs no one come out now. But we say if them did hold him accountable for Joe's murder, him wouldn't so hype.
I know that Joe ride him too.
And Joe give him some backers there.
Yeah, Joe Spirit ride him.
Yeah, man.
Him
World
not have
Dog,
peace.
he said, if World Dog did that walk a road, he would have dead already.
Him not have no peace. No peace. And you know what? Me tell you one wickedness what him do. When him I tell Yannick say like him feel like the first son and a theme son. So him tell and Yannick go get one DNA test and him swab the baby and do the DNA test, and know him I can't say Yannick do it. Yannick can never do what you don't allow her to do. Yannick could have never swab your child without your consent. Me say him a try everything for woman turn against Yannick.
But one that's an argument because him come out and him say Yannick has never given him bond. Him say Yannick never disrespect the relationship as Orin as well one call her. Never disrespected the relationship. So all swabbing coming. She just have a higher jeans than World Dog. Remember World Dog not have no jeans now, no upholstery. Eh?
But anything Yannick do to him children and him allow her to do them. That for sure you say yes. So if she was wicked to your children, sir, you were also wicked. Because why would you have a wicked man around your children, a woman around your children?
Exactly.
That's so that don't make no sense. That doesn't make any sense.
Look how long World Dog own up the first picnic.
That everybody knows Zai Zai.
Yeah. And though when him come out him class people for Zai Zai. And though when him come out him going like Zai Zai was Prince.
Yeah.
So World Dog is the type of girl now. When you find a new woman, you chat your old woman. That's why liar.
Yeah, so yes. Because remember the girl when it have the girl with the name Tina. Remember how he saying one of friend them sleep with Tina after him and Tina done?
Yeah.
I saw him do that girl there.
He must swap the new baby now. Eh?
Probably when Yannick, probably when time they come out of the same house, you never know. You soon hear say the baby swap too.
And that I got happen. Him I got carry the baby around loyal for loyal.
Yeah, like just like he must start saying a theme baby.
Yes, cause he make Yannick swab whatever and know he's loyal.
But Yannick say him do the swabbing, all she do was pay for the thing and send it off. Cause you know he can't read that right.
That's what I tell you. That's what I tell you. So the whole of World Dog pinning them name swab. Whole of them name swab. Yeah.
Because how Yannick will swab your child with and you there. Because forget her DNA, you have to be there also. So you were actively participating in it. Because she can't swab the baby and not swab you.
Exactly. So you want to know. Them have to swab out World Dog mouth. I hope it's not them mouth, them swab in bottom. I hope. So all of us
like make she seem like so evil, auntie. So evil. Like she evil.
No, you see the machine behind it. All of a sudden, Yannick baby, him not sure. And him never sure as Zai Zai. I wonder if him not go sure loyal, soyal. My phone are dead, you ready? My phone are dead 15%. Yeah, I wonder if him not go sure.
A dirty man stay, auntie.
And me not blame him for not being sure. You understand me? Because him not have no old.
I'm not wrong if you want to be sure. But don't blame it on Yannick though. Are you doing?
Exactly.
Nothing wrong. Are you doing?
Motivation.
Yeah.
Yeah, are your motivation, are your speech, are your every single thing. And you allow the woman them when you find a woman like what you allow liar if I feel like say she a front runner and top runner, I say it did make Yannick feel.
No, Yannick, that Queen Elizabeth. Yannick, the man saying that taking life, Yannick. No.
Yannick did really believe. I want Smaddy World Dog would have dead for a Swiss League.
But auntie, remember when he get shot and he come back and he's done and he want to give them and he start ball and he start praise. When my Swiss League that cried together, you remember that Sunday morning there?
Hey, let me tell you one thing. Me notice with it, liars, some me, you for live, you know. Liars, some me, you for live and walk the internet, you know. Come like you know, want partner with me.
Hey, auntie, you know, remember them a cry, them a hold hand on screen like in a look and them.
Liars.
Auntie, then cry, come Jesus, come.
Come Jesus, because I'm World Dog still you saying and Swiss League, man. I rub down him man like a burp. Him want him for burp. Yeah, tell me, so you remember when you were like of the anime sling, so And we're like, forget, say the hand did injure one.
Yes, yes. Auntie, you remember that day there? You remember that day there?
Liar me.
Auntie, auntie, remember when he say mother face shut off and he had a hold on by a little skin? I will look for the shut off, for the shut off. We can't find it up until this day.
Me I tell liar world that say, no, we go through it. I'm say when that come back when Nikki send the lion up and back.
Yes.
That try the gun
And then the hand just got, like he remember, the hand just got dead.
That's how we roll. Liar me I go on the road, me I charge my phone.
Alright, until later. Yes.
How's my baby? The love
All
and the
right,
little
auntie.
kind of people. Nurse.